I love the fact that there's no lace. That means no glue, no got to be, no bed head, nothing. Like just you and some edge control, and that is even optional. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and today, as you can see by the title, we are going to be talking about this beautiful headband wig. So Nia's Wig sent me over this hair, and you know me and Nia's Wigs, I love Nia's Wigs hair. When they said that they wanted to send me a headband wig, I was a little bit apprehensive. However, I saw a lot of reviews on headband wigs and I kind of got the gist of what they were and the vibe, and I was like, sign me up. So this wig in particular is 16 inches Yaki texture Remy hair, and this wig goes for £131. And let me tell you, I am tired. I'm actually done with lace. Like, don't get me wrong, I love me lace and you will still see me in a lace wig or two, but you know, the blending of the edges and the making it scalp and all of that, I'm tired. And this is a great alternative because it looks so natural. Nobody's gonna be checking, like, you know when you're talking to someone and you feel their eyes just traveling to your lace? I don't think I'm gonna feel that with this. I don't think I'm gonna have that experience with this. So yeah, this is my first time trying a headband wig, but so far I am loving the experience. So this is 150 density, but it is so full. I even straightened it to get it a little bit more sleek, but when it came, it was big, and I'm just like, 150 density, more like 250 because it's huge. But I really love the texture. It's so soft. Yeah, and it looks like it really could be my hair. That's the thing I love about it the most. I just don't have the uncomfortable feeling of like people staring at the mistakes of my wig, because really and truly, not every day is your wig going to be laid and your lace is going to look like scalp. Some days the lace is going to be lifting here, lifting there, the ear flaps are going to be flying, and this year you don't have that problem. You don't have that problem. It's like a 1 minute application and you're out the door looking flawless. All you have to do is spruce up your edges if you so desire, because you could also just wear it fully in front without your edges out, but I really like the way it looks with my edges out. I don't think I'd be wearing it without my edges out, but you could do. You could. I really love the way it looks. It's giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. It's so cute. I feel like this is really good for the working woman, the girl going to school, anybody on the go. And to be honest, I also think that it's quite affordable for the quality. I can vouch for Nia's Wigs quality. Their hair is impeccable. I think it's really good for the quality of the hair. But yeah, if you want to see my unboxing and how I applied this wig, please keep on watching. So this is what the box looks like. I love the packaging. Nia's Wigs always comes through with that. They also have like a little sleeve that goes on top, but I've taken that off already. And inside, of course, you get the wig. And it's so beautiful, so soft. It's a little bit kinkier than I imagined. Like, it looks really crimped, but I really like it. It's gonna match my hair texture really well. And it also comes with 4 headbands. So this is in like a scarf bandana style, but they have like various styles and you get like 4 of each. So now for the construction of the wig, it has 3 combs in the front, so 1 in the very center, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. It also has adjustable straps if you want to do that, so I've adjusted mine to like very loose adjustment. So I've chosen my headband wig in a Yaki texture, 16 inches, because I wanted it to look a lot more natural. I wanted it to kind of match my texture, and I wanted to just look like that is my hair. It's my hair. And then with all headband wigs, it has this black strap in the front, so it kind of mimic the shape of a headband. So at the back of the wig you have this adjustable velcro, and what I like about this that's different to other companies I've seen is that it doesn't really give you a flap. It doesn't have like an extra flying bit at the end. It kind of just goes securely and this goes under, so it's just really flat and perfect. Let me demonstrate to you. So you can wear the wig like this, or you can pull it back a little bit. I want to leave some of my edges out. My hair right now is like in a center part bun, low bun. So you can have it like that, or you can have it in braids. You can have it any way you want that is best for you to wear under your wigs. And let me just show you how I strap the wig down. So first I want to get the hair out of the way, so I'm going to clip it up. And that is that. I didn't use the combs because it's just demonstration purposes. I'm still going to straighten the hair because I feel like this is a bit big for my liking. Yeah, this is a little bit big. I do like it, but I want it to be a bit more sleek. And I'm gonna go straighten it and I'll be right back. So I'm back from straightening and this is what it looks like. I tried not to straighten it too much because I still want it to have kinks, but I didn't want it to have that like crimped look like it had. It looked kind of artificially crimped, whereas I wanted it to have that like freshly relaxed, you know, relaxer box kind of look. And hopefully that is what I've achieved. I feel like that is what I've achieved. It still has like little crimps in it, but it's not like, it just doesn't have that artificial look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Ebin edge control and style my edges a little bit. So nothing too fancy, I'm just doing my basic sweeps that I do all the time. And now let's pop the wig on. So this time I'm actually going to use the combs, which I'm a little bit scared about because I'm always apprehensive about using combs. I don't like too much weight on my hair, especially not my edges. But let's just try it and see. So I'm going to push this back a little bit. I'm just going to stick that first comb in. I just like to clip the hair up when I'm doing the Velcro because I don't want it to get in between. And that is that. Look how neat and smooth it looks. So this is where it comes to on me, just about my shoulders. This actually looks so cute. I really love the style. It looks so natural. It looks like this is all me. This is all me. The application process is just so quick and easy. I love it. I love the way it looks. It looks so cute. Feeling like Alice in Wonderland. The black Alice in Wonderland. I really love the way it looks. So I'm going to try on one of the headbands and I'm going to use this black one. So yeah, this is cute, but I'm not really feeling this headband in particular. It's cute, but it's just not my style. So I've got some stylized headbands, some Alice bands, and I want to see if they would work with this wig. Yeah, this isn't bad. This is really cute. Oh, I love it. This goes with my eyeliner as well. I love the fact that there's no lace. That means no glue, no got-to-be, no bed head, nothing. Like just you and some edge control, and that is even optional. So yeah, I really love the way it looks. I think it's so cute. But yeah, as I said earlier, I personally prefer it without any headband. I feel like I like the way it looks like this. So yeah, personally, I am in love with this headband wig. I want like 10 more, like 10 more of headband wigs because I'm just so over lace. Like I can't do lace no more. I need to just put on a wig and go. I want my edges to be protected and I want to also look cute. So this is a perfect style for a girl on the go. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig. And for now, we have come to the end of this video. I would love to see you in the next one. So please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. It really helps me out when you like. So yeah, that is that for today. Bye.